mo show Julie Ju TV. Said ya can so show Julie Ju TV. One more dear subscribe to your channel no. Na like na share. Na boost me immune system no. Said ya menya hoden dada aye program for Friday abrel. Ye da so e wo Ghana party in the park. Na sabre ye benua ba fe bi so. Nancy Alliance for. Enti me person no church mu na adwuma o mu die no. Wa ma won so wa ya we. No chine bi uhia o mo a otutu mreka akwakohia o mo. Ba me ye ma akwa Baba Julie Ju TV so.
Oh, thank you so much.
Do you want to speak English?
But I can't bro for me.
Oh, no, sir. Okay. Let's go.
Within the Yvonne I'm president of the Ghanaian Diaspora Nursing Alliance. As the name suggests, Ghanaian nurses are more UK, US, Canada, Caribbean, with nursing in Ghana. Training, workshops, conferences, and then you Ghana party in the park. Blood pressure screening. We say checking for BP. Ghanaians are more coma. Have a fun or park now. If I say you check them BP, higher now you told right? Educate them about high blood pressure and how to improve their heart health. Hydration stations also education on cervical cancer screening as well. In Tiaja say Ghanaian nurse or UK, US, Canada, baby I catch on myself. I'm on join it GDNA or the Ghanaian Diaspora Nursing Alliance. Their websites www.a-dna.org. Yes, we also go by African Diaspora Nursing Alliance. I'm hoping someone join it. They should go to a-dna.org. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, not just necessary now. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Ghanaian nurses they leave Ghana, right? I'm about UK. Okay. They say, now be now we need skills, now we need knowledge. Now we feed Ghana. That's the whole idea, right? Go back. We're not saying so much to come back. No. Conference and now workshop. We see about Ghana. I bet share nurses and our midwives. We share my dear. Webinars online. Who was school? Let's say we are oncology nurse and now we are cardiac nurse. Now why you specialized for that field? No. We see a webinar. Nurses, midwives are more Ghana and all over the world. Don't miss me out joining to learn. In here they say, Utuba UK for instance, you shouldn't be alone. It's nice if there's someone else who knows the system. Or bet share or pioneer and so faster or bet progress or career.
My idea, Pao.
Yeah, that's it.
They say more probably.
There were 6,500 members all over the world. UK chapter is the largest diaspora chapter. Like I said, if you are a nurse or you know a nurse or midwife in the UK, please encourage them to join your conference. University of Westminster in every year conference. Please do join us.
Why are dear?
Thank you.
Why are dear pa? Dear, come also now. Dear now, me person to Ghana nurses and so be more for. Nurses a Jumano. Obi o wa ebetu ni kwem. What I say? Or your nurse, but the way of patients are kasani adeno. Aya nurse so any. 18% o ka otu o mo foka kire bi na fe yempo.
Am pa na o kana no kwese. Ghana no nurses unfortunately no. You need the best reputation for being kind and compassionate. We're actually changing that. Every year, conference in Ghana, awards to nurses are providing compassionate care. Award your friend a Daisy Award. So the whole idea is who need mobile nurse above and beyond all your compassionate. No one nominated. They selected some nurses now your mom award. Professional so that nurses, apart from doing their jobs, they provide kind and compassionate care. My advice is that for anyone who's a nurse, do it with your heart and be kind and compassionate, because you never know who you're taking care of. And so we want to change the image of nursing. And we think, we can't do it alone. you know say problems or nurses then your more falls. Obi sma ye juma a whole day and I'll be extra shift in Chalka. Obi sma ye juma 3-6 months in Chianaka. Won't job juma. It's all Australian family. Comodino. Pressure no Dawson. See I can't. In some no Dawson, but we know say nurses there's something they can do, which is always provide kind and compassionate care.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Say what the kind of website not to jada and I'll be repeating you.
May repeat you. Your website's near g-dna.org and a-dna.org. Both of them will bring you to our website. Thank you.
Yeah, shower greet your family and friends.
Oh, intimate in Yanama, Dofuma, Ghana, US, UK, Michamo, and Yamin Kamo. Thank you.
Yamin Kao, so yeah, that's it. And then I do TV. I do miss it. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. What's it? Yeah. Hey.